back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another medical records work from home job. So this is in the healthcare field. It is non-phone. I've seen comments where people are wanting to do medical records type work. But if this job lead is not for you, that is okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Leave any education and experience that you have. I'm always reading those comments even if I'm not responding, and I keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. The links, if you're interested in applying to this one, are in the YouTube description box below under this video. But the company Maximus, they are hiring a medical records file clerk to work with their veteran services. So not only do you get a non-phone work from home job, you get to help veterans. I don't know what could be better than that. So their medical record bookmarkers are supporting the veteran evaluation services, and those services are administered by Maximus. You'll help facilitate providers' review of the veterans' medical records by providing the information that is being requested. So your primary responsibilities will be to separate all information from the veteran's medical records. You'll successfully research and document their medical conditions that they have. You'll communicate with the VBMS and CAPRI checks if needed. You'll make sure the case is complete before their scheduled exam. You'll maintain the correct status on each medical case, and of course, you might research both common and uncommon medical conditions. Now, they don't require any kind of a college degree, although they prefer some college. Only a high school diploma or GED is required. They're looking for someone who has basic computer skills, who can use Microsoft Office and Adobe Acrobat PDF programs, someone who knows medical terminology, has great attention to detail, and can multitask. One thing to note about this position is they do require you to provide your own computer equipment and a private, secure place in your home to work. Now, of course, the job description did not list pay. Actual pay will need to be asked about and discussed at the time of the interview, but I do have Maximus GlassDoor page linked down below in the YouTube description box if you want to do more research on the company. But I did find that a file clerk makes about $38,000 a year. That is about $18.26 an hour when you break it down to 52 weeks in a year and 40 hours of a work week in a week. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please remember that sharing is always caring, so give this video a thumbs up like button if you found it helpful, and please share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.